Thank you all for being here. Let's start again with the Guru Vandanam. Nityanandam Paramasukhatam Kevalam Jnanamurtim Dvandvatitam Gagana Sadasham Tattvamasyadilaksham Ekam Nityam Vimalamachalam Sarvadi Sakshi Bhutam Bhavatitam Trigunarahitam Satgurum Tam Namami. Thank you all for coming here to this grand occasion, the 10th anniversary of Nityanandeshwara Hindu Temple, Los Angeles Adinam. Which is the Punya Kshetra Tirtha Sthala in Nityananda Sangha, blessed by Swamiji, and we're all so grateful to have Swamiji and this temple here in this Sangha. Thank you, Swamiji. And now I request Mayor Pro Tem Carolyn Raft, Mayor of Pro Tem of Montclair City, to address the gathering here and please say a few words.
Thank you so very much. It's a wonderful time to be here and to see all of you guys and to see the joy that you express, and it's really nice. I'm here, I'm presenting a proclamation to the temple on their 10th year of the celebration of this wonderful occasion. The proclamation, and it's from the City of Montclair, from the City Council, from our mayor, and I'm very happy to present this to you. And I look forward to some coming back again sometime.
So, thank you, Mayor Raft. I'm going to read the proclamation by the City of Montclair. The proclamation is by City of Montclair, Paramahamsa Nityananda Day. Whereas under the tenets of Nityananda Dhyanapitham, His Holiness Paramahamsa Nityananda is the avatar, an incarnation of superconsciousness, and one of the greatest saints of India. And whereas Paramahamsa Nityananda is serving humanity by reviving the Veda Agamic tradition of Sanatana Hindu Dharma, the science of manifesting extraordinary powers, the science of authentic yoga, the science of completion, the science of enlightenment for the benefit of mankind. Whereas Paramahamsa Nityananda has contributed to the superconscious evolution of humanity through third eye awakening and manifesting Shaktis of extraordinary powers. Whereas his Sangha has a strong presence worldwide, the Nityanandeshwara Hindu Temple, Los Angeles Adinam, and Nityananda University in Montclair, established 10 years ago, inspired by the teachings of His Holiness Paramahamsa Nityananda, has contributed immensely to the community of Montclair. Now, therefore, be it proclaimed that I, Paul M. Eaton, Mayor of the City of Montclair, jointly with the members of the City Council, do hereby proclaim October 18th, 2017 as Paramahamsa Nityananda Day in the City of Montclair in the honor of His Holiness Paramahamsa Nityananda. Thank you, Councilman Raft, Mayor Pro Tem Raft. Thank you so much. Now I request Swamiji to address us.
Nityanandeshwara Sadashiva Samarambam Nityanandeshwari Adishakti Madhyamam Asmadacharya Paryantam Vande Guru Paramparam. I welcome you all with my love and respects. I am so glad to welcome and bless the dignitaries visiting our temple today. First, I would like to welcome Montclair Mayor Pro Tem Caroline Raft and Council Member Bill Rue. Both of them have been serving on the Montclair City Council for a long time. I remember both Ms. Raft and Ms. Rue were there along with Mayor Paul Eaton at the very beginning when the temple was inaugurated, and I have been supporting the temple all along the way. Please convey my blessings to Mayor Eaton for recovery from his illness, and I really thank the whole city for hosting and supporting this beautiful spiritual monument for superconscious breakthrough built for the sake of humanity. And I also welcome Mr. Harry Sidhu, who is running for mayor of Anaheim in November. Sidhuji has been a supporter of the temple for a long time. Blessings. Blessings for all your endeavors. I am also very happy to convey my love and blessings to all the dignitaries who are here. 10 years, Los Angeles Adinam. A decade is over. Sadashiva is gracing Los Angeles. First of all, I want to thank everyone who made this temple by offering their time, treasure, talent. I have to name at least a few thousands, to start with Kumar family, Dr. Manmohan, Shan, Michelle, Kumar Swaminathan, Prema Kodandraman, Isan, Terryson, Ishan son. I think I have a huge Jatinder Bajaj and I love to now literally repeat the whole Annalaya team, Kashvi, and I just want to tell you guys, I may not be able to remember and repeat. Of course, I can surely remember. I may not have time to repeat all the names, but I want to tell you all, you are all in my heart, making this beautiful temple and sharing it with the whole world, running the beautiful temple non-stop. Understand, not a single day rituals have stopped in this temple. Every systematic ritual was going on. The Nitya Puja, Naimittika Puja and Nitya Annadan is a continuous happening in this temple. See, in Sanatana Hindu Dharma, temple is not a worship altar or a congregation of a faith group, members of the faith. It is place where God lives literally. That is why once you do Prana Pratishta, you cannot move the deities. You cannot shift the temple. You cannot sell temple property. In India, temple properties have no real estate value. It is owned by the deity. Legally, all temples are owned by the deity in Indian tradition, in Hindu tradition. Running a temple is 100 times more complex process than any other religious organization, because it is not just a congregation of members of the faith or worship altar. It's a place where God lives. So every day he has to be given all the services, best services, And I am so happy last 10 years you all served Sadashiva best way, the best way. And this temple was created to give a superconscious breakthrough for humanity by serving the Los Angeles community, greater Los Angeles community, and ultimately serving whole United States of America and serving the whole world. I am so happy. Temple is progressing, maybe a little slow, but very steadily towards that goal. And let's hope we will expand and do more services, more good to the world. God bless America. It's really wonderful, sweet moment, loaded, charged with a love, devotion, commitment, sacrifice, hard work, sincerity, all put together. Against all the odds, difficulties, the way this temple stood, the temple, this 10 years of this temple's history, from 2007 to 2017, this is the condensed history of literally the whole Hinduism. How Hinduism happens and what it goes through and how it withstands and how it wins. I should say the decade history of Los Angeles Adhinam, 10-year history of the Los Angeles Adhinam is condensed 10,000 years history of whole Hinduism. The whole Hinduism. I thank every one of you. Every one of you. Not only who contributes financially, giving your time, treasure, talent, of course, Mukta and Muktika and Dhyanatma and everyone who are running, who are keeping it up, alive, continuously. I tell you, running a temple, Hindu temple is not a joke, especially with the orthodox, traditional, Vedagamic way. How I expect, how the Agamas expect is something extraordinary. And thank you guys, you are doing a wonderful job. Let Sadashiva's grace be on all of us. And through this temple, let's serve not only the Los Angeles, greater Los Angeles community, serve the whole United States of America and the whole world. Once again, my blessings. God bless America. Let's all radiate with integrity, authenticity, responsibility, enriching, causing, living Shuddhatvaita Saivam, Sadashivoham, the eternal bliss, Nityananda. Thank you. Be blissful.